Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. Again, I'll be collaborating with Smoking and Grilling with AB. If you haven't had a chance to check out his channel or his contribution to Soul Food Sunday, then you're definitely missing a treat. So after watching this video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB and check out his contribution to this week's Soul Food Sunday, and make sure to tell him that Soul Food Cooking sent you. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making one of my favorites, cabbage and cornbread. You will need 1 head of cabbage, 1 white onion, 2 carrots, 1 red bell pepper, 1½ cups of pork jowl bacon, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the cornbread, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 8 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of salt. To make the cornbread, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. For this recipe, you'll need a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Place your skillet into the preheated oven while we prepare the batter. In a large bowl, combine the cornmeal and flour. Now add the salt, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda, then whisk until well combined. In a separate bowl, combine your milk and buttermilk. Now add your eggs and whisk until well combined. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, then mix well. Add 6 tablespoons of melted butter to your batter and mix until well combined. Now remove the skillet from the oven and reduce the temperature from 425 to 375. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to your pan, then add your batter. Return your pan to the oven and allow your cornbread to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the pan from the oven and set it aside until later. To make your cabbage, using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now add your bacon and cook for 5 minutes or until golden and crispy. Remove your bacon from the pan, then set it aside until later. To the same pan, add your olive oil. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Add your bell pepper and carrots and continue to cook for another 4 minutes. Now add half of your cabbage and allow it to simmer for 3 minutes. Add the remaining cabbage and continue simmering for an additional 3 minutes. Add the water and chicken broth, then season with the salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Return your bacon to the pan, stir your cabbage, then cover and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it is ready to serve. Cornbread and cabbage is one of my favorite comfort foods, and I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab